How to create infographics using Gemini. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you exactly how it's done. So it's just going to take boring articles, turn them into infographics. It's going to be great, it's for free. So let's just go and get to it. First you will need to visit Gemini, so you just go to gemini.google.com. If you don't have a Google account, make one, create one, and you're going to be able to sign into it and get started. So going to gemini.google.com is going to take us to this page. And what we want to do is basically just click on tools and select the create images tool. Now from here, you will need to have your article ready. Just make sure you copy the entire thing. And I really mean the entire thing from start to finish, or at least the parts that you actually want to create the infographic about. But first, before we actually paste it in, we simply just want to tell Gemini what exactly we want from this article. So we want it to say something like, now as you can see, the prompt is very basic and you can even go for more details. The more details, the better for you. Maybe you want to state specific colors that you want for it and so on. But I went with a really basic prompt. I need you to create a modern, clean infographic of the following article. It should show clear steps and use short text blocks and icons. And then I just basically pasted in the article that I also generated using AI. So now we are just going to click on the send or submit and see what happens. Again, the more detail, the better for you. And just like that, it generated this infographic here for us. If we open it up, we can actually see all the different topics for it. And it shows icons, different colors and so on. But that's not just it. We can feel free to completely adjust this. So we can even change the color of it. So I just stated make the colors black and gold. Don't just use yellow. I want it to be gold. And let's see what it's going to generate. Basically, whenever you add something like this, it's going to keep the exact same image. It's just going to add the edit to it. So as you can see, I have it now with black and gold. Now, obviously, you can feel free to really say whatever you want with the prompts. And once you're fully happy with it, you can just simply click on download full size. The only thing left for you to do probably is just remove the watermark that it comes with, and you're pretty much set. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.